10 days countdown. 10 days to go. Just 10 days left. 10 days remaining. You want to know what the 10 days is all about? Yes. I would like to tell you myself. 10 days remaining for a promo to just go like that. A course of 80,000, 80K. A course of 80,000. So a promo of what? 5,000 naira. That is a huge discount. That is a lot. From 80K to 5,000, 5K. Yes. So 10 days to go. This training is all about JavaScript. That is web programming, front end. If you want to apply for this training, I will drop how you can go about it, how you can register for this course. I will tag it with this video that you are watching. It's just 5,000 naira. It's starting on the 15th of this month, June 15, 2025. And it's going to end on the 29th of June 2025. And this training is just 5,000 naira. 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. Don't forget, I said earlier, this training is what? 80,000 naira from the school. 80K. If you want to apply for this training, you can make an inquiry just to be sure. But you want to apply for JavaScript course, how much is it? They will tell you the price and it will shock you. 80,000 to 5,000 naira. That's 75,000 naira worth of discount to learn JavaScript. And you will be thinking that you not just like that, Jerry, you only give us small. No. We don't do that. If we are not going to do it, we will not even advertise it. You will learn a lot from the course. That's it called JavaScript. You will understand the theoretical and the practical aspect of it, how you can apply it to your project, how you can implement it in your project, and so on. You prepare yourself front-end developer and you don't know how to use JavaScript. You already do the HTML and CSS. The journey is not complete. It's what I've gone into for years, and I know exactly what I am saying. If you are doing HTML, CSS, you are not. I'm not saying it's not good, but without JavaScript, your journey is incomplete. So apply for this course, 5,000 naira, and the most shocking part of this, do you know? I want to tell you, right? The most shocking part of this promo is just for 20 applicants. Just 20 applicants. So 20. And people are rushing it like, oh my God. Hey, if you are interested, go and do that now. And it's going to be a virtual class. When I say virtual class, I mean online training, live. This is not a WhatsApp video or a recorded video. No. It's going to be a live class, a live one. You have access to your teacher, you ask questions, you interact with your teacher. Yeah, it's going to be a live class, The training is more than the money. Yes, from 80K to 5,000. It's a giveaway. I see that a giveaway. Yes, it's a giveaway. If the management should say, okay, let's do it for free, many people will not actually buy into that idea. They will say anything that is free. They will say, no, I did not teach. And that is the reason why we attached that token to it. At least if you pay something for it, you will value it. Because if you don't pay anything for it, you won't value it. Yes, you learn it just for free without a dime paid, you will never value that first. So that is why that token is being attached to it. So it's a giveaway to me. It's a giveaway. I know what I actually spent to acquire that knowledge. Yes, I know how much I spent, I know the time, I know the money I spent to acquire the same skill that you want to acquire for just 5 months. Yes. And it's just for 2 weeks, just 2 weeks. 2 weeks, every day, 2 weeks. Every day, 2 weeks. Yes, every day, 2 weeks. Don't miss this point. I'm just meeting you guys. Yes. I'm still John Sinekes. Love you guys.